My name is Siegfried Vlaeminck. I'm a professor in microbial cleantech at the University of Antwerp, and we are a proud member of the MELiSSA consortium. We contributed especially to nitrification and urine treatment. You should attend this conference to learn about the latest updates in regenerative life support systems, to share your results and discuss with your peers, to strengthen and extend your network both for space as for terrestrial applications, and perhaps spot a job, a business or spaceflight opportunity. The 2020 edition of the MELiSSA conference is dedicated to regenerative life support systems. It is the place to share and exchange fundamental and applied research insights for space and Earth applications. All aspects will be covered: treating and or producing air, water, waste and food, from technology development over safety and modeling and control to societal impact, education and valorization. The conference will foster synergistic interactions between researchers and engineers from private and public organizations. Unmissable. Now, what is this advantage of this digital virtual occasion? Not only will you save travel time and travel money, you will have a very carbon low conference, and furthermore, there will be not a long waiting queue to the coffee machine or the bathroom. At this conference, you will find inspiration for terrestrial circular solutions much needed for sustainable development and a good life on this planet. My most exciting dream is, of course, to see a human flight mission with MELiSSA technology on board and to be able to support that. I may want to pass on that occasion to an excited and excellent astronaut, and then I will give my very best possible ground control support.